Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lannie. If you are new here, welcome. So this is how my hair is looking after 2 weeks of not being washed. This is an old wash and go. I usually don't pre-poo my hair, but since it's been 2 weeks, I decided to go ahead and so we can make this wash day a lot easier. So I did wet my hair. It's not drenched, but it is a bit wet, and I'm going to go ahead and take some of that pre-poo, rake that through my hair, and doing a slight finger detangle. So once I've rinsed that pre-poo out, it is time to wash, and I'm using my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore shampoo. And I really like this shampoo. I've bought it several times, and I'm going to go ahead and thoroughly wash my hair, and I did do 2 washes. Once I've rinsed the shampoo out, it is time to deep condition, which is my favorite part of my wash day. And I'm using a new product by Camille. Their Black Castor Oil and Chebe deep conditioner, and I don't know why this kind of caught my eye as I was browsing through the beauty supply store. You guys know that I love Camille anyways. If you've seen any of my other hair videos with myself or my daughter, I'm always using some type of Camille product. So this is how the deep conditioner looks. It is very creamy, and as you can see, there's like a few specks in it as well, and it smells really good, which most, if not all, of Camille product smells like deliciously divine. So I'm just going to go ahead and thoroughly apply that deep conditioner all throughout my hair, and it really feels really nice going on, you guys. I'm really liking this deep conditioner a lot. If you haven't tried it, I would definitely highly suggest giving it a try, and if you have tried it, let me know in the comments below how much you like it. After applying the deep conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and put on the shower cap, and I'll let this stay on my hair for a good 30 minutes. If you crunch for time, you can definitely sit under a hooded dryer or use a heating cap to help that deep conditioner penetrate your strands even more. The 30 minutes is up. I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out and apply my leave-in conditioner by Mielle, and this is from their Pomegranate and Honey line. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, you guys. As you can see there, I was trying to get all of it out of the bottle, you guys. So I'm just going to apply that all over my hair thoroughly, just like so. Now it's time to detangle and style, and I'm going to start off in the back. I'm just taking a small section here, and then I'm going to put the rest of my hair up using this satin scrunchie. So I started detangling my hair using this tangle teaser, and I quickly realized I do not like this for my hair. It just felt like it was pulling my hair out. So I just went and grabbed my other detangling tool, and I think this is by Kiss. And I wet my hair again. When I'm doing the wash and go, my hair needs to be really wet. It doesn't need to be like dripping all over the place, but it needs to be wet. So I just re-wet that section and just went ahead and detangled my hair thoroughly. And as you can see, that tool is just like gliding through my hair, you guys. It's a really good detangling tool. So I'm just going to go ahead and detangle that entire section, just like so. And then I'm going to be using Eco Styler. This is the olive oil one. I'm taking a bit of that gel and smooth it on one section of my hair. And then I'm also raking it as well until I get my desired results. And I didn't show you guys previously, but this is the name of the tool that I'm using to detangle my hair. So I'm just going to be doing that entire process, you guys. I'm going to spritz my hair with a bit more water. I'm going to detangle and then use some gel, smooth and rake in small sections to define my curls. And here my daughter is popping up and she's reading this cute little book called Happy Hair. This book is so cute, you guys. I highly recommend this book. It is so adorbs and she loves it. So this is how my hair is looking once I've applied all of my products, and I could tell this is going to turn out to be a great wash and go. So I did air dry for a bit, but you guys know my hair is kind of dense and it takes a very, very long time to dry. So I did ended up using my just a handheld dryer to help speed up the process. And this is the following day. This is toward the end of the next day, and the curls are still looking amazing. This is after sleeping on it and an intense workout, hot showers, Florida weather, you name it. And the curls are still very much intact and they are looking beautiful. So this combo is definitely one of my go-tos when I know I need some longevity. So this is how my hair is looking once I stretch it out with my handheld dryer, just for some length and a little bit more movement. And I absolutely love it, you guys. I don't go down the entire hair shaft when stretching my hair. I just stretch mainly at the roots because I don't want to waste all of that work that I did, but just enough to, you know, give myself a little bit more length and movement. But I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for clicking and watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, bye.